Understanding Impeachment Inquiry, a guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a very important and often discussed term in politics, especially in the United States, impeachment inquiry. Understanding this phrase is crucial not only for those interested in political science but also for English language learners aiming to expand their vocabulary and grasp complex political processes. Let's dive into what this term means and why it's significant. An impeachment inquiry is the formal process by which a legislative body investigates whether there are grounds to impeach a public official. Impeachment being the act of charging a government official with misconduct. This process is most commonly associated with the President of the United States, but it can apply to any federal official, including judges and members of Congress. The inquiry is the preliminary stage, where evidence is gathered and examined to determine if there are sufficient grounds to proceed with impeachment. It involves collecting documents, testimony, and conducting hearings. This phase is crucial because it sets the stage for potential charges and a trial. The impeachment inquiry serves several important functions. Firstly, it's a mechanism for holding public officials accountable for their actions, ensuring they adhere to the law and ethical standards. Secondly, it acts as a safeguard for the democratic system, protecting it from abuse of power and corruption. Lastly, it demonstrates the principle of checks and balances within the U.S. government, highlighting that no one is above the law. The process begins when a member of Congress proposes an impeachment inquiry. The proposal is then voted on by either the House of Representatives or a specific committee. If approved, the inquiry officially begins. During the inquiry, evidence is collected, witnesses may be called to testify, and legal arguments are heard. The goal is to determine if there are grounds for impeachment. If the inquiry finds sufficient evidence, it can lead to the drafting of impeachment articles, which are formal charges. These articles are then voted on by the House of Representatives. If passed, the official is impeached and will face a trial in the Senate. Throughout U.S. history, there have been several notable impeachment inquiries. For instance, the inquiries into President Richard Nixon in 1974 over the Watergate scandal and President Bill Clinton in 1998 over allegations of perjury and obstruction of justice. More recently, inquiries have been conducted into President Donald Trump in 2019 and 2021. These examples illustrate how the process can be initiated under various circumstances and highlight its significance in American political life. We hope this video has shed light on what an impeachment inquiry is and its pivotal role in the American political system. This process underscores the principles of accountability, democracy, and checks and balances, essential for maintaining the integrity of government institutions. Thank you for watching, and we hope this has been an informative journey into a complex but fascinating aspect of English political vocabulary. Stay tuned for more insights and learning opportunities.